Hi and Pranam. This is Abhirami. I'm here to talk about Prana. Prana is an initiative to support people in their well being. So, here in this platform, we are going to understand what well being exactly is, what health is. We'll also understand the root cause of any issues, may it be physical or mental. We'll understand stress, we'll understand anxiety, we'll understand beliefs, mindset, thoughts. So basically, under prana, we are going to understand what prana exactly is. How it is important for us to understand what prana is. Prana is nothing but energy, and energy is everything. So, we are going to understand all of this with the deep, profound knowledge that my mentors, my gurus have given me till now. Here I am going to share all of my learnings so I can bring that desired support, that desired effect in your lives. I want a lot of people to have the desired life they have always been dreaming of. So, this is an attempt from my side as a self healing expert. I'm going to be here active on this platform and going to share a lot of simple techniques which are going to help us in our health, well being. So, what are the techniques? There are going to be yoga practices that I'm going to talk about, energy healing practices, sound healing, where we can heal ourselves. We are going to understand what aura is, what chakras are, what panchakoshas are. So, a lot of learning that we are going to go through, but in a very simple way, with simple techniques that we are going to learn through this journey. I hope to see you all. I hope you be a part of this journey. So, let's begin this journey together and explore the inner world, bringing a lot of amazing, fulfilled effect in our own lives. Thank you.